pipeline's not a real business. And this
So whenever your company started, you said that you started getting like contract after contract, and it just kind of stayed in that same niche of things that you already knew how to do. At what point did you realize that, this is an actual business? This is no longer things that I can do as a contract here and there. I need to actually turn this into a business.
Yeah, this is something my wife and I have joked about for a long time, for probably 9 or 10 years. I would say pipeline's not a real business. And it was kind of tongue in cheek, but there was also a note
Yeah.
of seriousness to it. I would say pipeline's not a real business. It's just we're a bunch of engineers who really like designing things, and we happen to have some work and people are paying us to do it, but it's not a real business. The next month everything is going to explode, and I'll need to figure out something else. It wasn't until maybe 3 years ago or so that I really truly started to feel like, oh, pipeline is a real business, and
Yeah.
we're going to be around for a long time. This is an enduring company, not just something I'm doing right now.
Yeah. And you have a lot of other people that are involved now too that probably appreciate that you have that sentiment as well.
Yeah,
As well.
yeah.
Because I ain't chasing payments, still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.